Good day, everyone. As you know, this is an iPhone, iPhone 7, and it has a broken cover. As you can see here, has a broken cover, and now we're going to replace it. I ordered it on eBay, and I ordered it from these frame. Now you can see www.ordan.it, and if you live around Italy and it has it, you can easily get your phone repair parts from these company, and I don't want to call their number because they need to pay me for advert. But right now we're going to. It's easy because when you have a broken screen, uh, your camera picture is not going to be clear. You know how it is if you've ever experienced it, and I want to tell you that it's very easy to fix. But just that the broken screen, I have already removed them in order not to get myself injured or my kids. So, and now I ordered for the stuff, and as you can see, easier. That's it. That's it. It's just small. So now I am going to fix it. So watch me. So keep my fingers crossed. It's the first time I'm fixing it. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. And as you know, this the normal gum adhesive for phones, for smartphones, and I bought it some time ago, and I'm going to use it again now. That's it. So the silicone is dropping. So that's the silicone. And you can see there's the silicone. So just drop there, and all we're going to do is fix it. Please, you have to be very careful not to allow the adhesive or the gum go inside the camera, because if not, you're not going to have a good view of your camera any longer. So So like I said before, make sure that your the debris does not go in, and result. So that's it. We're gonna fix it now. so it's been fixed. So just watch out. You're gonna clean those debris off now. So you can see, so I have to do some cleaning on the phone. Okay. So don't put anything, just a damp cloth, and you're clean.